how to apply fast video editing tricks for better content. In this video, we'll dive into some quick and easy video editing tricks that can significantly enhance your content. Whether you're a beginner or looking to streamline your editing process, these tips will help you produce engaging videos with minimal effort. First up, learn the power of keyboard shortcuts. By mastering a few essential shortcuts specific to your editing software, you can save a huge amount of time on repetitive tasks. This not only speeds up your workflow, but also makes editing less tedious. Next, consider using templates. Many editing software programs offer pre-made templates for transitions and effects. Utilizing these can give your video a professional look without spending hours creating effects from scratch. Plus, don't forget color grading presets to give your video a cinematic feel instantly. Another key trick is the use of overlays and filters. These elements can bring impressive stylistic changes to your content quickly. Adding text overlays for captions or annotations helps keep your audience engaged and can emphasize important points. Jump cuts can also be a powerful tool. They help maintain a fast pace, especially in vlogs or tutorial videos, keeping viewers' attention by minimizing pauses and unnecessary footage. Additionally, learn the art of speed ramping. By adjusting the speed of clips at certain moments, you can create dramatic effects and emphasize crucial parts of your video. This technique is particularly effective in action-packed or visually dynamic scenes. Finally, always keep your workflow organized by creating a consistent naming system for your files and using folders to categorize your assets. Efficient organization in your editing software ensures smoother operations, especially when dealing with larger projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with these tricks until you master them.